I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp taco sauce, full guide. Start by combining crema, mayonnaise, fresh lime juice, minced garlic, smoked paprika, cayenne, salt, and a splash of olive oil in a bowl. Whisk until smooth, then taste and adjust acidity or heat. Chill for at least 20 minutes to let flavors meld. I'll guide you through consistency tweaks and garnish ideas to finish perfect shrimp tacos with confidence. Gather crema or thick yogurt, mayonnaise, a fresh lime, garlic, smoked paprika, cayenne, salt, and a light olive oil. Use 1/4 cup of crema and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise as your creamy base, then add 2 teaspoons of lime juice and 1 clove of minced garlic. Start with 1/2 teaspoon each of smoked paprika and cayenne, and add more if you want extra heat later. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. It really helps. Quick recommendation. There's a book I love, Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and might be a fun companion while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a copy if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. Whisk the ingredients in a medium bowl until completely smooth and slightly glossy, which helps the sauce cling to shrimp. If it seems too thick, add olive oil a teaspoon at a time. If too thin, chill to thicken or whisk in a bit more mayonnaise. Always taste and rest the sauce for at least 20 minutes so the acidity and spice balance out before serving on warm shrimp tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.